So without further ado, let's take a look at the device and start with the exciting design, which is my favorite part in the Realme 7 series. In Realme 7 series, we combine the geometric design with the premium back cover material and we call it the AG split design. This unique aesthetic of Realme 7 series is inspired by this type of designs. A straight line starting from the bottom and passing through the camera, dividing the back of the phone into two distinct parts with varied light effects, presenting asymmetry perfectly in a visually harmonious and a balanced way. No matter it's blue or silver color, the anti-glare effect highlights the radial lighting origin from the straight line. Dare to push our own boundary? Regardless the increase in the battery size, we have still made Realme 7 Pro 13 grams lighter and 0.2 mm thinner. The Realme 7 Pro sports two beautiful colors, mirror silver and mirror blue. With 65 watt super dart, the 4500 mAh battery can go from 0 to 100% in just 34 minutes. Fast charging at this level is something you should not try unless you are mentally ready. Let's take a look at this chart. It shows the charging speed within 15 minutes from the beginning. 65 watt super dart charge goes fast at an incredible speed. 3 minutes for 13%, 5 minutes for 34%, and 10 minutes for 42% and 15 minutes for 58%. So what's the secret behind the super dart? First of all, the Realme 7 Pro uses a high rate 3C battery. The battery with a higher C value means it can charge faster. Realme 7 Pro applies 3C rate 20 to 50 mAh battery. According to our test, the efficiency of charging is 98%, which means very little energy is wasted in the charging process. At the same time, the charging process is strictly controlled and cooled to prevent overheating. The charging temperature in standby will be controlled well below 40 degrees. This time, Realme brings the second generation of 64 megapixel quad camera system to the Realme 7 Pro. We call it second generation 64 megapixel as it is not only an update on the hardware, but many never before features from Realme that enables user to capture sharper. In addition to the upgraded sensor, the primary camera is composed of 6P lens with an aperture size of 1.8, which can support up to 10x zoom. Here are some more amazing pictures in the day and night shot on the new 64 megapixel camera. Comparison shows the difference. Comparing with the first generation 64 megapixel camera, you observe much better details. The one key highlight while comparing the cameras is the zoom in picture. If you see that, high pixels and telephoto lens both can give you a good zoom in effect. While comparing Realme 7 Pro sample pictures with Realme X50 Pro with 2x photo lens capability, you can see what you zoom in the picture. The details of the 7 Pro camera are as much as zoomed 2x photo lens or maybe even better. With a great 64 megapixel sensor and a new software algorithm, the 64 primary is as sharp as 108 megapixel. Even at night, the 64 megapixel is comparable to 108 megapixel as Sony sensor has been renowned for its night shots. We have introduced flagship level Starry Mode on X3. Now, I've seen many users asking us to bring this feature to the mass. And here it is guys, yes, it's for the first time available on the mid-range phones on both Realme 7 and 7 Pro. With our continuous optimization based on feedback is now the Pro Nightscape Mode on Realme 7 Pro. It integrates with multi-frame algorithm and also enables you to adjust your shutter, ISO and white balance and other parameters that allows capturing the clearest movements in the low light without noise and blur effects. Let's have a look at some sample photos and I'm sure you will definitely love it. This is among one of my favorite. Our users always expect something more from this Dare to Leap brand. We are introducing 3 more night filters for the first time from Realme smartphones. Cyberpunk with purple and blue, Flamingo with red and grey, Modern Gold with black and gold. Ultra Nightscape video first time available on Realme 7 Pro. Yes, you heard it right. With the excellent sensor and software optimization, it improves the light sensitivity while applying noise reduction and color boost algorithms to brighter and more clearer night videos. In this mode, you can keep part of the portrait colored while the rest of the color will change to different shades of grey. In a Twitter poll which I had few days back, more than 80% of the users prefer AMOLED display. I heard you guys, and yes, this time we decided to make another breakthrough by bringing the fantastic Super AMOLED display to the Realme 7 Pro. More importantly, the OLED display enables a more convenient in-display fingerprint to unlock. In the tiny punch hole in the front, is a 32 megapixel high resolution selfie camera. Like the rear camera, the selfie camera also supports the portrait bokeh, HDR and AI beautification. Apart from this, Nightscape Selfie is also widely praised by our users. It could greatly improve selfie image quality even at night. The Realme 7 Pro is driven by the powerful Snapdragon 720G. The processor applies an advanced 8nm production process to make it stand out in the performance and efficiency. Is 2.3 GHz high frequency Creo 465 CPU, comes with a powerful Adreno 618 GPU, delivering a seamless gaming experience with a high image quality. And the powerful leading ISP is also the source of 64 megapixel camera's power. In short, no compromise for the multitasker, significant improvement from its last generation. Realme 7 Pro is a dual speaker phone and is equipped with your favorite Dolby Atmos sound effect and high-res certification, so that you never run out of the space for images, videos or your favorite files. Realme 7 series are the first smartphones, yes guys, first smartphones that pass TÜV Rheinland smartphone reliability verification. Now let's have a short recap video for our Realme 7 Pro.
Realme 7 Pro. Capture sharper, charge fastest.
The Realme 7 features two beautiful and surreal colors, mist white and mist blue. As Madhav has introduced, we have applied the AG split design on Realme 7 also, the MediaTek Helio G95, a significant improvement over its well-established last generation Helio G90T. Through the Antutu score, you can see that the performance of the G95 is 10K higher than G90T and still the highest amongst competitors. Power sometimes comes with heating. To prevent that, Realme has adapted the carbon fiber cooling from Realme X2 Pro. Realme 7 is equipped with a massive 5000 mAh large battery. In terms of charging speed, the Realme 7 charges to 50% in 26 minutes and can be charged to 100% in just 65 minutes. The Realme 7 provides the most smooth experience in the segment. The refresh rate is 90 Hz and can be automatically adjusted between 90 Hz and 60 Hz according to different scenarios. Like the Realme 7 Pro, the Realme 7 also features a very small punch hole in the display with a 90.5% screen-to-body ratio, bringing immersive gaming and video experience. The fingerprint sensor is located on the side power button. The Realme 7 is equipped with the second generation Sony IMX682 64 megapixel quad camera and supports many amazing advanced camera features like Starry Mode, night filters, UIS and UIS Max, ultra-wide angle videos. Now let's have a look at a short video of the Realme 7.
Realme 7. Capture sharper, charge faster. Realme smartphone. Dare to leap.
Now let's unveil the smartphones. Realme 7 comes with two different variants, 4GB, 64GB and 8GB, 128GB. The price for Realme 7 4GB, 64GB would be priced at Rs 14,999 rupees only. The price for Realme 7 8GB, 128GB would be priced at 16,999 rupees only. 14,999 only we are featuring Realme 7 with big 6GB RAM. Yes, I believe you will love and enjoy this upgrade. The Realme 7 Pro will be available in two variants, 6GB 128GB and 8GB 128GB. So let's unveil the price now. The Realme 7 Pro 6GB 128GB would be priced at Rs 19,999 rupees only. The Realme 7 Pro 8GB 128GB would be priced at 21,999 rupees. The first sale for Realme 7 Pro will be on 14 September 2020, starting at 12 noon. It will be available on Flipkart and realme.com and will be soon available in the stores nearby you. Thanks again for joining us today. Thank you very much once again. Stay safe. Thank you very much. Bye.